Welcome to our channel. Today we are uploading and downloading the program in MCDGV4 and Modbus configuration also we can done this video. Let's start. Open Smart View and check the driver in Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Check the driver of the relay. Look, it's showing HighPROTEC COM6. Select the setting here, COM6. Then receive data from relay. The uploading is start now. Wait for a moment. The uploading will be start in uploading is done. This is the uploaded program of MCDGV4. I'm going to Modbus. We are creating one Modbus user Modbus file. We can export this file to local computer. Then save it. Next. Then this is the location where we save the configuration file of user Modbus. So close it, then close it, close the project, then connect on another relay. I'm disconnecting this relay. Now connect to second relay. Just wait. Look, it's connected now. Then upload data from new relay. The uploading is start now. The program is uploaded. Now go to device parameter, click on Modbus, configure. Look, there is no file here. Let's import the file from the local computer. This is the file we are importing. Click open. Yes. Put the default password 1234. Press OK. Then close it. Then close again. Reopen this. Look, the Modbus file is available here. Now write to controller. I'm downloading the program now to the controller. It's completed. Now try to read the program to check the program is updated or not. Now uploading the program. Now open Modbus user. Look, the relay setting is updated. You need to enable TCP setting from here and set the IP for Modbus TCP. I am connecting LAN cable and set it the same range for reading the data on mod pole. Close it. Open mod pole. Now put the IP here. Look, the relay is connected with mod pole. There is no error. I am not connecting CTPT now. We are reading less than 100. That's why it's showing illegal address. Now open the user defined file. Click OK. Just wait. This is our user defined Modbus address list. Then close it. Now I am connecting CTPT with this relay. MCB is turned off. Now turn on the MCB. Look, the value frequency is showing here. all the data will come on the Modbus. Our Modbus communication also done. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.